The Ardumoto Shield is a board that can be attached on top of the Arduino Uno. It attaches to almost all of Uno's pins and makes it possible to access them via its own pin inputs. Ardumoto Shield is meant to control up to 2 DC motors. This H-bridge based shield gives up to 2 amps per channel and is commonly used in RC vehicles and simple robots. It has control signal LEDs that indicate what happened on the board. The shield can be powered from the Arduino voltage input or from the voltage input in the shield itself. When using the latter, the Arduino is also powered up. This means that they are not supposed to be used simultaneously and the user should choose either one. Control signals to control the DC motors are direction and speed. Both motors have their own signals. The direction signal is either high or low, and the speed signal can be used with pulse width modulation to fine-tune the speed. The default pins to control the motors are digital inputs 3, 11, 12, and 13, and therefore jumper wires are not needed. The coding part in itself is very simple. The direction can be changed using digital write, and the speed can be changed by using either digital or analog write. Here is a video of typical usage of the shield. Steering DC motor is connected to shield's output A1 and A2, and rear axle motor is connected to output B3 and B4.